It is amazing how many stuff you can make with a vinyl cutter and from home, and how many leads one item like car magnets can bring into your business. Because car magnets is the #1 most sold item in our business, along with yard signs and vinyl banners. And here we will show you how to make them from the comfort of your home using the proper materials. And we will also talk about how we price these items. If you're gonna make car magnets from home, we recommend that you get a cutting mat, a box cutter, a ruler, and a roll of Magnum magnetics. We will leave all the links of all the materials that we mentioned in this video below on the first comment or on the description of this video. To cut your magnets, we recommend that you use the blue ruler. And the type of vinyl that we're going to use today is the Oracle 651 and the transfer the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75. And of course, we're going to use our vinyl cutter, the graphtec. Now we're going to apply the transfer, and just keep in mind the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75 is a high tack transfer, and you can also use the application rollers to apply your own transfer. If you own a Cameo 4, the application rollers will help you align the vinyl into the cutter. This will help you avoid using the small vinyl holder and also help you make big cuts. Now we start weeding out the vinyl, and as always we recommend that you add some weeding boxes to make the weeding process much easier for you, especially if you are working on bigger decals. And after we finish weeding out and applying the transfer, it is time to combine and layer the colors, and we just add some rapid tack and use the registrations to align it. Then we squishy all the rapid tack to the side and do the same process below. Remember, the rapid tack does not affect the adhesive on Oracle 651, so you can add as many as you want. Just make sure you remove it carefully when it's time to remove the transfer, especially if you use a high tack like the AT75. When making yard signs, you pretty much do the same steps and the same process, and also use the same type of vinyl and materials. The only difference is that yard signs can be made double-sided. However, here's an advice from us. When you make these products, try to make it worth your time. And what do we mean by that? We mean that if you sell any car magnets, sell them by the pair, and if you sell yard signs, sell them by 3-piece double-sided. Now let's talk about pricing. If you are one of our gold memberships in our channel, now you will have access to our most recent calculator, which is for pricing this type of products. Now you can price car magnets, yard signs, and even vinyl banners. This calculator is very easy to use. You just type in the type of vinyl sign that you're working on, the dimension, inches or feet. Then you type in the dimension of the sign that you're working on inches or feet. Then type in the quantity, and you will get a default price of how much you can charge for that type of sign that you're working on. However, just keep in mind all the pricing is based on default, so you can always change or alter your own pricing based on your own research. If you're gonna work on vinyl banners or yard signs, you will get an additional option, and that is if you want to do it double-sided or not. Because not all the signs are the same, because vinyl banners and yard signs can be made double-sided, because you will get that request from your customer depending on what they want. So that is why this calculator is specially programmed for you to have that additional option if you choose either one of those. Now let's talk about a different type of vinyl sign, and that is the vinyl banner. Vinyl banners are a very profitable item that you can make with your vinyl cutter, and pretty much you can make them with the same process that you make car magnets and yard signs, except that you are going to make them bigger because the dimensions are of course bigger, but you will make more money by that. And if you haven't watched the video of how we add our own metal eyelets to the vanner, I encourage you guys to check out our channel and check out how we make vinyl vanners. Now, the most popular vanner that we sell is the 6 feet by 3 feet. So if you're gonna get a roll of banners, make sure you get the 3 feet and the white one or the red one. Those are the most popular one. And this is a final product of a banner of 6 feet by 3 feet. And here is how you would price it using our calculator. We choose a vinyl banner, of course, and there's the default price, 10 cents per square inch. Then we choose only one side, and then we choose the feet as the dimension because this is a big sign. And now we're gonna type in 6 width by 3 height and only one sign, calculate. And then now we're gonna get a total of how much we can price this type of process. And this is pretty simple. And soon we will upload more videos about this new calculator. So remember, if you are a gold member, you can now use this calculator. So now you know, if you're going to make car magnets, yard signs, or even vinyl banners, and you want to make them with either a Cameo 4, which we also have videos on how you make this type of signs with this machine, or you can make them with the graphtec or any other bigger machine. We encourage you guys to check out our channel, of course, subscribe, and then watch all the tutorials that we have there. We have a lot of great information for this type of business. Thank you guys so much. As always, we appreciate your time and we appreciate your like and subscribe. We will see you guys again on the next episode. Thank you.